Amazon rainforest fire. How did the Amazon fire start? How long has it been on fire? The Amazon rainforest is burning record numbers of fires this year, and now smoke from the expansive flames has been captured on both NASA and NOAA satellites from space. According to the National Institute for Space Research, INP, satellite data showed an 83% increase compared to the same period in 2018. The space agency reports its satellite data has detected more than 72,000 fires since January 2019. The heavy smoke caused a daytime blackout more than 1,700 miles away in Brazil's largest city, São Paulo, on Monday. Josélia Pegorim, Climatempo meteorologist, told Globo. The smoke did not come from fires from the state of São Paulo, but from very dense and wide fires that have been going on for several days in Rondônia and Bolivia. The cold front changed the direction of the winds and transported the smoke to São Paulo. The smoke resulting from some of these wildfires was also captured in satellite images released by NASA. How did the Amazon rainforest fire start? The space agency said it had detected more than 72,000 fires between January and August, and more than 9,500 forest fires since Thursday, mostly in the Amazon region. In comparison, there were fewer than 40,000 for the same period in 2018. Some conservationists have blamed Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro for the forest fires, saying he has encouraged loggers and farmers to clear the land. Mr. Bolsonaro said he disagrees with the latest data presented, saying it was the season of the queimada, when farmers use fire to clear land. He said, "I used to be called Captain Chainsaw. Now I am Nero, setting the Amazon aflame." Wildfires often occur in the dry season in Brazil, but this year has been worse than normal, according to INP. In addition, fires are deliberately started in efforts to illegally deforest land for cattle ranching. Cattle ranching is the largest driver of deforestation in every Amazon country, accounting for 80% of current deforestation rates. Amazon Brazil is home to approximately 200 million head of cattle and is the largest exporter in the world, supplying about 1/4 of the global market. The Amazon rainforest has been fire-resistant for much of its history because of its natural moisture and humidity, but NASA has said drought and human activities are causing wildfires. A release from the space agency said, "The intensity and frequency of droughts in turn have been linked with increases in regional deforestation and anthropogenic climate change." Ricardo Mello, head of the Worldwide Fund for Nature (WWF) Amazon program, added the fires were a consequence of the increase in deforestation seen in recent figures. Now Brazilian federal prosecutors have said they are opening an official investigation into the rise in deforestation and forest fires. The prosecutors said on Thursday they will investigate a spike in deforestation and wildfires raging in the Amazon state of Pará. They will work to determine whether there has been reduced monitoring and enforcement of environmental protections. The investigation announced by the prosecutor's office in Pará follows a surge in fires and destruction of the Amazon rainforest that experts blame on reduced protection of the environment under right-wing President Jair Bolsonaro. How long has the Amazon been on fire? Due to the number of fires in the Amazon rainforest, it's hard to predict exactly when it started. However, the fires have increased recently, with more than 9,500 infernos since Thursday. Since January, 72,000 fires have blasted the rainforest, a number that is likely to go up in the coming weeks. Why is the Amazon rainforest so important to life on Earth? The Amazon is often referred to as the planet's lungs. This is because it produces 20% of the oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. The rainforest is considered vital in slowing global warming, and is also home to uncountable species of fauna and flora. The Amazon is the largest rainforest on the planet.